Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm planning to do a live trading video for you guys. So looking into the stock, so its time is around 9:16. So before I go to the gym, I thought I'll record a video for you guys. Okay. Currently, Nifty is towards the negative direction, and looks like this is moving down to 27. So capital of 50,000 into 20 times divided by 227, 4,400 stocks. So if I sell 4,400 stocks, cover order, I'll just keep this little bit far to 31. So currently it has sold for 227.73. Let's open the chart. Okay, this is how the graph looks like currently. Either I will wait for 0.3% of target. So 227.73, right? 227.73 into 0.3 divided by 100 is equal to 68, almost 70 paisa. 70 paisa into how many number of stocks? To 4,400. So 3,000 is the profit which I'm looking currently. So once the stock moves towards the 3,000 side, I need to book profit. That is a quick profit, considering 0.3, the power of 0.3%. The market will be highly fluctuating right now at this time period, 9:18. It can move any direction, up and down also. So you need to wait for some time. The graph, it still continues for some time. Okay, so we have still chances that the stock should go down, so we need to wait for some time. Time is 9:19. Let's see how long this will take. If it's taking a long time, then I will pause the video and then resume, or if the target is getting done right away, then we will exit. Okay, now currently I think if you see a little movement, 227.20 is the low for now. Okay, so I'll keep it ready over here, the pending instruction, because this will take few seconds. If you see now, immediately I have to hit exit when my price goes, oh god, not this, yeah. So that's my target currently. It's always good to use a bracket order for all the beginners, because now by the time it hit 0.3%, it will automatically trigger and you will make a profit. So don't need to wait, because now when I sell, it will sell in a higher value. So you need to wait. I just put cover order considering if there is a spike down, and I can grab that profit. So let's see if it can break that 227, or should I exit. Let's just see. A quick trade, right? Time is 9:21. Let's wait for a few more minutes and see if it can go or not.
श्रीराञ्जनेयं प्रसन्नाञ्जनेयं श्रीरामदूतं महाकायवीरम्
So this is the profit. 5,577 is the profit which I made from my capital of around 50,000. That is 49,380 if you see over here. Now total capital is 54,958. So I'll be withdrawing the money. I'll be keeping always 50,000 in the account. I'll round off and withdraw around 4,500 or 4,000 rupees. So that rest 300 or 500 rupees will go for brokerage. So I was in gym, so that's the reason you heard the music out there. So I just sold off the stock when I was in the gym. I was happy with the profit, so I just exited. All the beginners, please exit at 0.3. It happens very fast in the morning itself. I showed you, so it happens very fast. But if you see, I just waited for a little more profit. So 60 paisa was 60 to 70 paisa was a target. So, but I just waited for more. So made around 1 rupee 10 paisa profit. So I bought it at around 9:13. That is almost 9:14, and actually it is 9:15, and sold it at around 11 o'clock. So almost 1 hour 30 to 40 minutes. 5,000 profit, and that is what around 10% profit of my capital. So this is based on a basic strategy which we follow in our trainings and strategy videos. So if you also want to learn, you can also join our training programs and also be a part of our groups. Thank you so much for watching. Whenever I get time, I'll be recording such videos and uploading. So thank you so much. Subscribe, like and comment. Bye bye.